The Tequesta Indians lived in South Florida for over 12,000 years, and they died off in the late 1700s.
Uga! Uga para! Uga!
Buka, ada nggak pula? Aduh!
The Tequesta Indians were a small, peaceful Native American tribe. They were one of the first tribes in South Florida and lived near Biscayne Bay in the present-day Miami area.
They built many villages at the mouth of the Miami River and along the coastal islands. Like the other tribes in South Florida, the Tequestas were hunters and gatherers. They relied mainly on fish, shellfish, nuts, and berries for food.
The macaque sharks, sailfish, sea cows, and porpoises in the waters of Biscayne Bay and the Miami River, while the women and children collected clams, conchs, oyster, and turtle eggs in the shallow waters. The manatee was considered an exquisite meal and served mainly to the chiefs and other prominent leaders.
The Tequesta used shells and shark teeth to make tools. These include hammers, chisels, fish hooks, drinking cups, and spearheads. Shark teeth were used to carve out logs to make kayaks. The Tequesta Indians drink a liquid called the black drink during important celebration. Leaf and stems from special plant were collected, roasted, and crushed into a pot of boiling water.
This drink was boiled for hours to strengthen the caffeine. The councilmen sat around and drank large quantities of the hot black drink from a large shell cup. Then each stood and vomited the liquid as far as he could.
The Native Americans used three ways to communicate. The first was drawing and paintings. The second was sign language or physical movements, and last were unspoken signals which were very popular. These include drum and smoke signals.
Smoke signals were used to signal tribe members of danger. They were produced by covering up a small fire with palm fronds and letting puffs of smoke escape into the air.
That they're a small, peaceful tribe, and they use shark teeth as weapons and tools.
you tell me any information about the Tequesta Indians?
The clothing they wore, the men wore like kind of like skirts, and the women wear like dresses.